Changeover is the work required to change a specific machine, resource, work center, or line from making the last good piece of an item to making the first good piece of another item. As you could imagine, if changeovers take excessive amounts of time, it would be hard to pull demand through a value stream. This will cause bottlenecks to emerge all throughout an organization. A bottleneck is the term used for any function, department, resource, or facility whose needed capacity is less than the demand being placed upon it. The way to remove or reduce these bottlenecks in changeovers is to give people education and practice performing quick changeovers. Two techniques that are frequently used are SMED and the reduce methodology. Reduce is based on the SMED system. Single minute exchange of die is a concept developed by Shigeo Shingo, which seeks to perform all setup or changeover times in under 10 minutes. Without methods like these that reduce changeover times, it would be impossible for any organization to keep up with customer demand, which is the objective of a pull system. We'll see you in the next module.